she is a ripper. God, she is fun. Okay, I really need to reinforce this body and make the. I know I should totally not do this because it's not even secure. Like, I only have the back clipped in, the front is not clipped in at all. And it does rub a little bit right here. So I'm trying to see exactly where I need to trim it because it rubs right there on the, am I getting this at all? Rubs right there on the front fender. And then a little bit there too, but oh, it's so fun. I'm just running the regular stock pinion that comes in it. I didn't change it for the speed pinion. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't roll it. Oh, this Rlaarlo is so fun, little car. What a great little car these things are. Seriously, dude. For the money, how tough they are. I'm running on a 3D printed shop top right now, and a I almost got you. I'm sorry, baby. 3D printed shock. Top and I hit that stop sign at full speed. Oh no. I hit that stop sign at full speed and broke the lower control arm hinge pin. And I messed it up. I broke it bad. All right, that seems good. We're good still. His suspension on these things is so good right out of the box. Oh my gosh, that was rough. If it broke, that's probably, it was damned to happen. It didn't break. Hell yeah. This trigger though, the nut fell out of it one day. I screwed it and trying to find one that's the right size is almost impossible. You can hear the wheels rubbing. Oh! Don't turn like that, Sean. Golly. Dumb. I cracked it. It's okay, because I can weld that back together, no problem. Oh my gosh.